YouTubers, part 5, I guess. Everything's installed, everything's clipped down, bolts are in the right places. That one nut that I did drop back in there from the heat exchanger type thing back here, that little mounting bolt was a 10mm bolt. They're all these little flange nuts. So I'm missing one. It's down in my chassis, so that is not getting bolt down right now until I find some spare. So that's it. Now I just have to put a battery in and then do it. But before I put the battery in, go put the high powered voltage disconnect back in and make sure that's clamped down. I know I took some slack from the one guy. I basically put that thing in. Believe it or not, that will stay down in its position but not locked, so just be careful when you do it. But you know, these are supposed to be up. It'll tell you all sorts of shit. Yeah, 12 o'clock, blah blah blah. It's supposed to be up. Oh, that fucker did that the same thing last time. Pushed down, fucking thing stopped. All right, so get that thing up. All right, so it's down. That's the 12 o'clock position. Now this sucked it down. I saw that shit. All right, that's bad, huh? Now pull it up on this fucking thing. It ain't coming up, so it's locked down. Now goes this thing here, cover plate, 4 10mm nuts on it. Ooh, I should seal one of these for the outside, but these are not even, they're not anodized, so that'd be just a shit show. Yeah, we get this. Then we'll do a socket. Just make those snug. Hoping this works. Alright, back in here. Yeah, it's still raining too. Alright. Yep, somebody's calling again. I gotta stop the video now. It's gonna be part 6.